When the firewood is dry, the fire burns fast. When the firewood is dry, the fire burns fast. Iyo inkwi zumye, umuriro waka vuba. When the drum is quiet, the village sleeps. When the drum is quiet, the village sleeps. Iyo ingoma zituje, umudugudu urasinzira. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn the most useful proverbs. Uyu munsi wa none tugiye kwiga insigamigani zikoreshwa cyane mu rurimi rw'icyongereza. Niba utarakora subscribe, yikore nonaha mbere yuko dukomeza. When the goats eat well, it grows fast. When the goat eats well, it grows fast. Iyo ihene irya neza, ikura vuba. When the child walks, the mother smiles. When the child walks, the mother smiles. Iyo umwana atangiye kugenda, umubyeyi aramwenyura. When the sun is hot, people look for shade. When the sun is hot, people look for shade. Iyo izuba rishyushye, abantu bashaka igicucu. When the load is long, patience helps. When the load is long, patience helps. Iyo urugendo ari rurerure, kwihangana birafasha. When the basket is full, the carrier is glad. When the basket is full, the carrier is glad. Iyo igitebo cyuzuye, umwikorezi arishima. When the dog barks, strangers stop. When the dog barks, strangers stop. Iyo imbwa imotse, abanyamahanga barahagarara. When the grass grows, cows eat well. When the grass grows, cows eat well. Iyo ubwatsi bukuze, inka zirya neza. When the pot is empty, hunger speaks. When the pot is empty, hunger speaks. Iyo inkono irimo ubusa, inzara iravuga. When the sky is red, rain may come. When the sky is red, rain may come. Iyo ijuru ritukura, imvura ishobora kugwa. When the door is open, wind enters. When the door is open, wind enters. Iyo umuryango ufunguye, umuyaga urinjira. When the farm is large, work increases. When the farm is large, work increases. Iyo umurima ari munini, akazi kariyongera. When the teacher arrives, silence comes. When the teacher arrives, silence comes. Iyo umwarimu ahageze, ituze riraza. When the drum is beaten slowly, dancers flow. When the drum is beaten slowly, dancers flow. Iyo ingoma zivuze buhoro, ababyinnyi barakurikira. When the river is deep, people cross carefully. When the river is deep, people cross carefully. Iyo umugezi ari muremure, abantu bambuka bitonze. When the basket breaks, food falls. When the basket breaks, food falls. Iyo igitebo kimenetse, ibiryo biragwa. When the candle burns, wax melts. When the candle burns, wax melts. Iyo buji yaka, ibishashara birashonga. When the hunter runs, the prey escapes. When the hunter runs, the prey escapes. Iyo umuhigi yirutse nabi, umuhigo urahunga. When the tree is young, it bends easily. When the tree is young, it bends easily. Iyo igiti ari gito, kigondwa byoroshye. When the bird sings, morning feels sweet. When the bird sings, morning feels sweet. Iyo inyoni iririmbye mu gitondo, haba hameze neza. Iyo inyoni iririmbye mu gitondo, kiba kiryoshye. Ni ukuvuga yuko inyoni igihe cyose ziririmba ahantu hari amahoro n'umutekano. When the rain is heavy, rivers rise. When the rain is heavy, rivers rise. Iyo imvura ari nyinshi, imigezi iruzura. When the field is dry, plants suffer. When the field is dry, plants suffer. Iyo umurima wumye, ibihingwa birababara cyangwa se biraharenganira. When the traveler is lost, he asks the way. When the traveler is lost, he asks the way. Iyo umugenzi yazimiye, abaza inzira. When the drum is fast, dancers jump. When the drum is fast, dancers jump. Iyo ingoma zivuze vuba, ababyinnyi barasimbuka. When the chicken lays eggs, the farmer smiles. When the chicken lays eggs, the farmer smiles. Iyo inkoko iteye amagi, umuhinzi arishima. When the cloud gathers, rain prepares. When the cloud gathers, rain prepares. Iyo ibicu byateranye, imvura iritegura. Kuvuga yuko iyo ibicu biri kwiyegeranya, imvura igiye kugwa. When the berry is silent, the school rests. When the berry is silent, the school rests. Iyo inzogera icecetse, ishuri riratuza. When the cow walks slowly, the herd waits. When the cow walks slowly, the herd waits. Iyo inka igenda buhoro, umushumba arayitegereza. When the forest is thick, animals hide well. When the forest is thick, animals hide well. Iyo ishyamba ari rinini, inyamaswa zihisha neza. When the fire is small, smoke is big. When the fire is small, smoke is big. Iyo umuriro ari muto, umwotsi uba mwinshi. Kandi koko muzarebe, igihe cyose iyo umuriro utari kwaka, utanga umwotsi mwinshi. Ariko umuriro uri kwaka, ntutanga umwotsi. When the ladder is strong, climbing is safe. When the ladder is strong, climbing is safe. Iyo ingazi ikomeye, kuzamuka biba bitekanye. Ingazi ni urwego. When the river is narrow, crossing is easy. When the river is narrow, crossing is easy. Iyo umugezi ari mugufi, kuwambuka biroroha. When the bird builds a nest, rain is near. When the bird builds a nest, rain is near. Iyo inyoni yubatse icyari, imvura iba iri hafi. When the pot is covered, heat stays inside. When the pot is covered, heat stays inside. Iyo inkono ipfundikiye, ubushyuhe bugumamo imbere. When the sun hides, the air becomes cool. When the sun hides, the air becomes cool. Iyo izuba rirenze, umwuka ugenda ukonja. When the drum cracks, music stops. When the drum cracks, music stops. Iyo ingoma zamenetse, umuziki urahagarara cyangwa se iyo ingoma zariboye umuziki urahagarara. When the river is dry, fish disappear. When the river dries, fish disappear. Iyo umugezi ukamye amafi arashira cyangwa se arabura. When the wind is strong, roofs shake. When the wind is strong, roofs shake. Iyo umuyaga ukomeye ibisenge biranyeganyega. When the seed is good, the harvest is good. Wow, I like this proverb. When the seed is good, the harvest is good. Iyo imbuto ari nziza, umusaruro nawo uba ari mwiza. When the bird rests, wings relax. When the bird rests, wings relax. Iyo inyoni iruhutse, amababa aratuza. When the hunter listens, the forest speaks. When the hunter listens, the forest speaks. Iyo umuhigi ateze amatwi, ishyamba riravuga. When the basket is light, working is easy. When the basket is light, working is easy. Iyo igitebo cyoroshye, kugenda biroroha. When the sky is dark, lamps shine brighter. When the sky is dark, lamps shine brighter. Iyo ijuru ryijimye, amatara arushaho kumurika cyane. When the child sleeps, the house is quiet. When the child sleeps, the house is quiet. Iyo umwana asinziriye, urugo ruratuza. When the drum calls loudly, people hurry. When the drum calls loudly, people hurry. Iyo ingoma zivuze cyane cyangwa se iyo ingoma zihamagaye, abantu barihuta. When the wind changes, clouds move. When the wind changes, clouds move. Iyo umuyaga uhindutse, ibicu biragenda. When the cow drinks water, milk increases. When the cow drinks water, milk increases. Iyo inka inyoye amazi, amata ariyongera. When the gate closes, the compound rests. When the gate closes, the compound rests. Iyo irembo rifunze, urugo ruratuza. When the journey ends, the traveler rests. When the journey ends, the traveler rests. Iyo urugendo rurangiye, umugenzi araruhuka. A single tree does not make a forest. A single tree does not make a forest. Igiti kimwe ntigikora ishyamba. A closed mouth keeps secret. A closed mouth keeps secret. Akanwa gafunze kabika ibanga. A quick tongue causes trouble. A quick tongue causes trouble. Ururimi rwihuta kuvuga rutera ibibazo. A patient hunter catches the animal. A patient hunter catches the animal. Umuhigi wihangana afata inyamaswa. A strong wind tests strong trees. A strong wind tests strong trees. Umuyaga ukomeye ugerageza ibiti bikomeye. A careful step avoids falling. A careful step avoids falling. Intambwe yitonze irinda kugwa. A bright lamp shows the way. A bright lamp shows the way. Itara rimurika ryerekana inzira. A small hole sinks a big boat. A small hole sinks a big boat. Akobo gato karohamisha ubwato bunini. A calm lake reflects the sky. A calm lake reflects the sky. Ikiyaga gituje kigaragaza ikirere cyangwa se ijuru. A long journey teaches patience. A long journey teaches patience. Urugendo rurerure rwigisha kwihangana. A good ear hears wisdom. A good ear hears wisdom. Ugutwi kwiza kumva ubwenge. A strong fence protects the farm. A strong fence protects the farm. Uruzitiro rukomeye rurinda umurima. A hungry dog looks everywhere. A hungry dog looks everywhere. Imbwa ishonje ishakisha hose. A quiet child runs quickly. A quiet child runs quickly. Umwana utuje yiga vuba. A careful breeder makes a strong house. A careful breeder makes a strong house. Umwubatsi witonze yubaka inzu ikomeye. A strong river cuts the land. A strong river cuts the land. Umugezi ukomeye ucamo ubutaka, urawutandukanya. A small bird can wake a village. A small bird can wake a village. Inyoni nto ishobora gukangura umudugudu wose. A wise traveler carries light. A wise traveler carries light. Umugenzi w'umunyabwenge yitwaza itara. Umugenzi w'umunyabwenge yitwaza itara. A good cook feeds many people. A good cook feeds many people. Umutetsi mwiza agaburira abantu benshi. Gusa mbibutse yuko kuka ntabwo ari umutetsi, ibyo bintu mubyibagirwe. Cook niwe mutetsi, noneho inshinga ikaba to cook, guteka. A strong rock guards treasure. A strong rock guards treasure. Ingufuri ikomeye irinda ubutunzi. A strong rock guards treasure. Ingufuri ikomeye irinda ubutunzi. A bright idea solves problems. A bright idea solves problems. Igitekerezo cyiza gikemura ibibazo. A quiet mind hears truth. A quiet mind hears truth. Ubwenge butuje bwumva ukuri. A kind hand lifts others. A kind hand lifts others. Ukuboko kugira neza kuzamura abandi. A slow fire cooks good food. A slow fire cooks good food. Umuriro utuje uteka ibiryo neza. A good bridge joins two sides. A good bridge joins two sides. Ikiraro cyiza gihuza impande ebyiri. Ikiraro cyiza gihuza impande ebyiri. A strong wall stops the wind. A strong wall stops the wind. Urukuta rukomeye ruhagarika umuyaga. A full granary brings joy. A full granary brings joy. Ikigega cyuzuye kizana ibyishimo. A clear voice reaches far. A clear voice reaches far. Ijwi risobanutse rigera kure. A clean path invites travelers. A clean path invites travelers. Inzira isukuye itumira abagenzi. A wise farmer watches the sky. A wise farmer watches the sky. Umuhinzi w'umunyabwenge yitegereza ikirere cyangwa se areba ikirere akamenya niba imvura izagwa cyangwa se itazagwa. A gentle rain feeds the land. A gentle rain feeds the land. imvura ituje igaburira ubutaka. A strong back carries heavy loads. A strong back carries heavy loads. Umugongo ukomeye utwara imitwaro iremereye. To load ni ugupakira, loads ni imitwaro, imizigo urimo urapakira. A careful hand writes well. A careful hand writes well. Ukuboko kwitonze kwandika neza. A deep root holds the tree. A deep root holds the tree. Umuzi muremure ufata igiti. A good path brings traveler home. A good path brings travelers home. Inzira nziza igeza abagenzi mu rugo. A good path brings travelers home. Inzira nziza igeza abagenzi mu rugo. A wise judge listens to both sides. A wise judge listens to both sides. Umucamanza w'umunyabwenge atega amatwi impande zombi. A calm sea carries ships safely. A calm sea carries ships safely. Inyanja ituje itwara amato neza. A strong drum leads the dance. A strong drum leads the dance. Ingoma ikomeye iyobora imbyino. A quick eye sees danger air. A quick eye sees danger air. Ijisho rityaye ribona akaga hakiri kare. A good rope ties firmly. A good rope ties firmly. Umugozi mwiza uboha neza cyangwa se uzirika neza ugakomeza. A careful cook avoids burning food. A careful cook avoids burning food. Umutetsi witonze yirinda gushiriza ibiryo. A steady hand breeds straight walls. A steady hand breeds straight walls. Ukuboko kudahindagurika kubaka inkuta zigororotse. A bright moon guides travelers at the night. A bright moon guides the travelers at the night. Ukwezi kumurika kuyobora abagenzi nijoro. A small candle lights a dark room. A small candle lights a dark room. Buji nto imurika icyumba cyijimye. A sharp knife cuts quickly. A sharp knife cuts quickly. Icyuma gityaye gikata vuba. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and comment.